Let's make a 3-ingredient damage potion against weeds. Make sure you got your glasses. Ideally goggles. Also, ideally gloves. Also, ideally a mask. I have these glasses. Okay, this makes 1 gallon. I've done this twice before and I've used up both gallons both times. I've heard varying mixed reviews on the efficacy of what we are doing here. But essentially, I do this because I have kids and chickens. I don't want to spray poison, well, real poison on my yard. I also don't like cancer. So this is what we've come to. I use 45% vinegar. I have used 70% vinegar. I have never used household 5% vinegar. I have found that both the 40 and the 70 work. I don't see a big difference in their efficacy. I do find that this works. I've never had issues with anything growing back where I spray it. I don't spray it anywhere I plan on growing food or anything that I want to be a recurring source of future horticulture. But this takes like 2 seconds for me to do. I don't spray like crazy, so I don't go through it very quickly. It's me for quite some time. This will make your yard smell like brine, strong brine, like the strongest pickles you've ever smelled in your life. So if you are sensitive to that, that's why you wear a mask. Also not ideal for you to breathe in the fumes. Do what I say. Salt goes first. It's easier to dissolve that way. 1 cup of salt per gallon. You need about a tablespoon of this stuff. What this does is it helps the mixture kind of stick to the leaves of the things that you're spraying, so it's an adherent. I think that's the right word. Tablespoon-ish. Alright, there's your damage potion. It has advantage against living things. Here's some weeds I sprayed 2 days ago. Best to do it whenever the sun's going to be out and there's not going to be any rain or heavy wind.